A lot of us have been there. You know, we signed a contract or we gave a deposit and we don't hear anything for a week, 2 weeks. That's brutal. Nobody should experience that. If I'm a customer, I don't want to have to worry. I don't want to have to wonder, when is the contractor coming? Are they going to be on time? Are they going to have everything ready? You know, is the crew going to know what's going on with my project, whether that's my windows or my roof? We should communicate with our customers to say, hey, we're going to show up on X date, and then show up. We shouldn't have to ask the customer, so what are we doing here? A project should have like a natural flow to it. Project managers or coordinators or crew foremen, they know what that flow should be. If they're hesitant or they're nervous or they don't follow those procedures and then the customer feels like, this is stalling, I should step in, they don't really know, unless they have experience, how that should go. It doesn't work. I'm not going to show up to the mechanic and say, well, pull that hose before that hose. That could be disastrous. There's a lot of communication that needs to happen within the department. Sales to project management, to the production crews. There's a lot of coordinating and communication that needs to happen there. People have lives. Our customers have lives. They have parties that they're hosting or events that they're going to. As a roofing company, we need to let them know, when we're going to be there. Once we get a signed contract, that estimate gets formulated into a work order and then goes to our office. They're going to schedule that project with our crew, project manager, order the materials and get that scheduled for our logistics team because they're going to have to deliver either a trailer or a dumpster. And then it goes through to our project manager. They're going to get familiar with that project so that when we show up to the job, just start getting to work. I oversee our sales team, oversee our production, our operations team. I focus on each team getting trained, whether that's sales or whether that's executing a roof project or delivering a trailer, but also big picture. How does each team interact, transfer information, projects over from one team to the next, and look for ways that we're doing that really well so that we can keep repeating that. And look for gaps. Are we not doing something right in our process, or is someone not trained in that process and they need to be trained or retrained? It goes back to communication. So you sign a contract, we want to be able to reach out to you within a day or 2 days with a schedule for that project. There are some outlying situations. Maybe we're waiting on permitting. Maybe it's a special order. So what we want to do is, you've signed a contract. We want to still reach out within a day or two to say, hey, we've got your signed contract, but because of X, Y, and Z, we don't have a date yet of when we can do this project. Ideally, a customer should feel at ease as much as possible. It's a big thing. It's loud. It's obtrusive, all of that. So we're banging away at your house. We want to take all of the doubt and as much of the doubt and questioning out of it as possible, so that if they don't mind the racket going on, they can just sit back in their easy chair, drink their coffee, no questions. Just want them to feel comfortable. The main thing that I want customers to know, to experience, I'll call it peace and joy. We want them to enjoy the process. It's a big investment into your home, which is your safe space. So we want people to feel peace. We want people to feel relaxed and enjoy the process as much as emotionally possible with getting your house torn apart.